This video is on how to make Gmail and Outlook signature using Canva. So I'll walk you through on how to create this and also how to add it in your Gmail account as well as your Outlook account. Email signature usually comes at the footer area of every email you receive from some persons. It displays the details about the person, few details like the name, the location, and the phone number. It's common when the person that is sending the email is sending it from a company. So follow me, let me walk you through on how you can design your own. Let's access the Canva software on the web. So open your web browser. Visit canva.com and log in. If you don't have an existing Canva account, just sign up. Okay, so look at canva.com here. As the page opens and you sign in successfully, click in this search bar area and then search for email signature. Why we are doing this is because you want to work with a pre-designed template that will make it easy for us. So as I have typed the word, press the enter key of your computer keyboard. This shows up some search results. Okay, you can see these templates, blue, white, modern, creative or so, I don't know the full meaning. Then this one, you have this one, we have this one, we have this a lot. Okay, so anyone with this crown icon is not free to use. You need to be on Canva Pro, but you want the one we will use freely without anything or without paying any money. Okay, so I think I like this. Let's work with this, or I like this or I like this. So anyone is okay. So but let's just go with this option. So let's work with this. I'll click on that. So click on that from your own end and then select the option customize this template. This opens the editor page for us to design exactly what we want. So here the first element here is this picture. So we are going to change it to a picture of yourself so that once somebody receives your email, it will know, okay, this is coming from so person. It's coming from Godwin Tech. It's coming from Godwin Richard. Or it's coming from you. So let's change this picture. So for you to do that, first click on Upload tab. Now, if you have any of your picture here, you can drag it into this place. But if you don't have any, just click on uploads. That's upload files. Okay, so navigate to a folder in your PC where you save the picture and then double click on it for it to be uploaded on Canva. Okay, so in a situation here, so I have some pictures in pictures folder. So I've clicked on the pictures folder. Then I will get to a subfolder where I saved that. So I have my pictures here, a subfolder. So I can decide to work with this. So I'll double click on it. Okay, this is being uploaded on the Canva platform. So let's just give it a few seconds, okay? The picture is now fully uploaded, so I can drag it and drop here, okay? Press and hold on the left button of my mouse and I then drag into this. So carefully do that. Okay, if you look at this doesn't show my head fully. So all I need to do is to undo this action, drag the image here, and then crop some parts of the image out. You will see how we do that. So let me undo. Then I will pick this. So it's already here. So now I will crop from here. So I'll bring my cursor here. You can see it has changed inside. Then I will drag up. Good. Okay, I can still drag from up here, drag down. Good. We have a good design here. So I'll click on the image and then drop it here. This is a better design. Okay, so you can see now showing my face fully. It's not cutting part of my head. Okay, so let's get to the next section. So I will double click here and change this name to Godwin Richard, which is my name. So change to your own name from your own end. Good. Now, here the position of the template, the person that is being placed there initially, the position is a creative manager, but I'm not a creative manager. I am a CEO. So double click and then put your position there. CEO. Okay. But it seems as if this my position is kind of small in terms of text size. So click on it and then increase the text size. Okay, good. If you want to change the font size, click the font, click here and select another font of your choice. So as I clicked here, it showed me some fonts. So Anton is one of them and I like using that. So I'll click on that. It has changed. So I can still increase the size. Good. All right. So that is that. Let's now change other informations here. For example, this phone number. I'm in Nigeria, so the calling code is +234 and not +123. Okay, 34. So change the data to suit your own information. So this is just for tutorial purpose. So I'm not going to insert my original phone number here. Okay. So here, double click here and then change the email address. So my email address is contactgodwintech@gmail.com. Okay, so I'll click out. I'm done typing it, but it's not showing fully. So I'll get to it and drag here for it to be fitted. Okay, contact godwintech@gmail.com is cool. Now, here, if you have a website, you can add your website. But if you don't have a website, click on this, then click on this delete, then click on this, and then click on delete to remove it. Okay, so that and then drag these ones up, these icons. Okay, because you have to put your address so that the recipient will know that this is where you're staying. But here I have an address, I have an email, but here I have a website. So I will double click and change and add my own website. Okay. So my website is techsupportpoint.com. Okay. Tech support. So you can visit it to read some articles on technology. Okay. Techsupportpoint.com. So you can see I will still drag it here. Good, to be in the sunlight. Then this address, I will change it to suit where I stay. If I have office, I can have my office address here. If I don't have an office, maybe my house is my office. I can have the address of my house here. Okay, so let me quickly change that. Okay, so I have my address here as 14 Calvin Street, MN Enugu. Okay, so if you want to change this background of this design, just click at any part of these edges. Okay, you can click here, you can click here. Once it's selected, click here and then choose a new background color of your choice. Okay, you can go with any of these or you can take any of these because this software detects some colors that are already available here, so it suggests some colors for you here under this category. That's why you have photo colors. Okay, you can apply this, you can apply this, you can apply anyone. Okay, or you can go down here and pick, but I don't want to change it, so I'm okay with the default background color. So I'll come to this section and click on undo until I get to how it was. Okay, so I'm cool with this. Now this is the email signature. So that is the graphics design of it. So the next thing I have to do now is to change the name here, the name of this file. So I can call it GTech email signature. All right. So GTech. Then after that, then download into your PC. So I'll click on share, then click on download, and then click on download button again. Okay. So this design will get downloaded into our PC. Good, it has been downloaded into my PC. So the next step now is to open my Gmail and then add this email signature design. After that, we get to Outlook. So let's go with Gmail first. Open your web browser. As your web browser opens, visit gmail.com. Okay. I am signing automatically to my Gmail account because I save my Gmail login details here. But in your own case, if you are not signed in automatically, please sign in with your Gmail email address and your password. Okay, so click on settings. Click this option, see all settings. Now scroll down to this page. You can see the section named signature. Click on create new. Give this signature a name. So here, let me call it GTech. Okay, you can call it any name of your choice. All right. Then after that, click on create. The next step is to click on this image icon. Then by default, your Drive account is selected. Okay, but remember we downloaded the image we designed in our computer. So click on the upload button. Okay, then click on this section with the text. Select a file from your device. This automatically opens the file explorer of your PC. Okay, so the design we made is in the downloads folder. So click on downloads, then select this and then click on open. Good. You can see how it appears, but it seems it's kind of big. So click on it and select either small, medium, or large, or original size. I think this is the original size. So let's go with the medium. We are okay with this. If you want to link this email signature to your website, just click on it and then click on this link icon. Then click here and type the website. So here is techsupportpoint.com. Okay, here it says test this link. So I can click here to test if it's really my website. You can see the website is working fine. So I can close this window and then get back to what I was setting up. Okay. So after you have typed the website, click OK. But listen, this addition of link is optional. It's not a must. You will do that. Okay. Then under signature defaults, click here and then select the name we gave to this signature we are creating. So that is GTech. Okay. But note, sometimes there may be difficulty. You may not see it show up here. And what you need to do is just get down here and then save changes, close this window and log in again and start the process afresh. Okay, but we are lucky here is being picked immediately. Then under on reply or forward use, click here and select GTech. Okay, then come down here and click on save changes. This is now being saved. So anytime we are sending email to someone, it will come with this email signature design. So let's give it a try. So let's click on compose. Then under this place, under the tool, in the tool line, type the email address or the person you want to send message to. Let me send to uztechupdate@outlook.com. See the guy here? Then I can say the subject, upcoming meeting. Then in the compose area, the body area, I'll click there and then explain the content of this email. So once you are done composing your email, click on send. Now let's go and check to see how this will appear from the end of the recipient. We are at the inbox of the recipient. So let's click and open this. And lo and behold, see the email signature we designed. So anytime you are sending email to someone, after the person reads the message, here we see the email signature. Okay, so you can decide to pick your phone number to call you from there or send your email address or send you email. Okay, that is that for Gmail. Now let's go and look at how you can assign email signature on Outlook account. In your web browser, visit outlook.com and sign in. Okay, I am signing automatically into my Outlook email account because I save my details here. Okay, so let's get into it. Click on this settings icon. Click on this option, compose and reply. Now, under in the place you have the text, edit signature name, type a name. Okay, so I'll click there and type a name. Let's use custom here. Click this image icon to add the design we created on Canva. So select the design and click on open. Now the design is now added. So the next thing you need to do is click on the save icon. Then scroll down. You can see for new messages, custom is already selected. But if you have it here as no signature, please click and select custom. Okay. Then for replies and forwards, click and also select custom if no signature is selected by default. Okay. If you want to link a website to this design, click on the design and then click on this link icon and then add your website name. But here I don't want to use that, so I'll cancel it. Then the next thing is click on save. Now that we have saved this, our email signature, let's go and experiment and see how it works. So I'll close here and then click on new email. You can see our email signature is already at the bottom part. So let's send to contact Godwin Tech. Okay, so the person we are sending this email to is contactgodwintech@gmail.com. You can send to an Outlook user or Yahoo Mail user, any other person of your choice. Okay, so under subject, click here and add a subject. In the compose area, click here and explain the content of this email. Okay, so I'm done composing my email. I say this is a reminder to our business deal next week, Monday. All right, next week on Monday. So now that we are done composing what we want to have, click on send. Now let's go and check contact Godwin Tech email to know if the email comes in with the signature. Okay, I'm already in his inbox. Now look at the email that the other Outlook user sent, though I'm the one that control both. So I'll click here to see the content. You can see this comes in with our email signature. He said this is a reminder to our business deal next week on Monday. So it looks beautiful. But note, sometimes you may not see this in the inbox. The system may detect it as a spam mail. So when that happens, for you to resolve that, click this more button and then click on spam. Okay, the email will appear here. Okay, it will appear here. So you click and then click on the button report as not spam. Okay, so this will be moved to your inbox. So that is that, and I believe this helps you. Okay. I hope you find this video helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we discuss more on technology. So learn some technology skills that will help you become more useful in life. Hit the like button for the video to go viral and leave a comment. Watch this video to learn more on tech. See you next time.